You made it to Saturday. But Slack is still in your pocket. Email keeps pinging. Your brain never actually left work. In this video, here's how to truly disconnect and why it matters more than you think. You try to unplug but you're halfway checking messages. Halfway thinking about Monday. Chronic partial attention is exhaustion without recovery. You get a worse week because your weekend was fake. Your identity got tangled with work. An unproductive weekend feels like failure. But recovery isn't productive. It's necessary. Different category entirely. Neuroscience is clear, your brain needs a full 48 hours to actually recover. Not sort of recover. Actually recover. Halfway unplugged gives you zero benefit. All or nothing. Don't check your phone Saturday morning. Let your nervous system start calm. No information fire hose. You'll check in later. But give your brain a real morning without work. Set your Slack status Friday evening. One message, offline Saturday through Sunday, back Monday. This removes guilt from not responding. People adjust expectations immediately. Remove Slack and email from your phone Friday night. Reinstall Sunday evening. This eliminates temptation. You can't check because it's not there. Choose one activity that is completely analog. Not a break from work. Not a hobby. A full commitment to doing something with your hands and your attention. You'll feel guilty for doing nothing productive. That guilt is a lie. An actually rested Monday is sharper and more creative than any Monday after a half-plugged weekend. Pick one tactic and commit this weekend. Notice how you feel Monday morning. Your brain will crave more rest. That's when you know it's working.